Video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix microphone not working on Mac. So let's get started. Now we're going to be going over so many fixes, so you can just go ahead and try all of them and hopefully one of them works out. So the first one is to check your input settings. So just go ahead and click the Apple logo and head over to system settings. From here you'll have to go to sound, and here you're gonna see the output and input option. Now from here you'll have to make sure that you're using the correct mic. Now in my case I have connected an external microphone, so for now I'm using that. And as you can see, you can also switch in. This right here is the built-in microphone, and whenever you speak you can see that the input level is moving. Now I'm gonna stay quiet and you'll see that it'll go back to 0. Yeah. Now you can also increase your input volume. It might be that your mic is bad, so you need to increase your input volume all the way somewhere here, and then it's gonna make it obviously louder. But for me, 21% is the sweet spot. Okay, now that's the first fix. Then the next fix is to check your app permissions. Okay, so from the same system settings, you're gonna head over to privacy and security. From here you're gonna head over to microphone and make sure that the app you're using is allowed to use microphone. So for example, if you're using Discord, make sure that it is turned on so that your microphone can be accessed by this particular app. Okay, now sometimes, for example, if I'm using my Discord and I want to call someone and my mic isn't working, even though that this option is on, I can just go ahead, click on quit Discord and then reopen it, and hopefully that fixes the issue. Okay, now you could try one more thing. For that you'll have to go to terminal. Okay, now once you're here, what you'll have to do is, I'm just ignore that for now. You'll have to type in this command, okay, which is sudo kill all core audio D. Okay, now if you enter, and then you'll have to obviously type in your password. As you can see, I'll have to type in my password. You can type it in, but it won't see what you're typing, so just type in your password and then click on enter, and then your core audio will automatically restart. Okay, and hopefully that fixes the issue. Okay, so that is the third fix. For now I'm just gonna close that. Now the next fix is to make sure that there is no other app open that is using your mic. So for example, apps like Zoom, Teams or Discord can prevent other apps from using your mic. So close any other app that you think might be interfering with the mic you're trying to use on some other app. Okay, now you could also try using another user account. So from system settings, just scroll down until you see user and groups. You can try creating a new account temporarily and try seeing if the mic works there, and then you could check if there's any physical issue. Now if you're using wired headphones like I am, ensure that the plug is fully inserted. Now for USB mics, try using another port, because sometimes there could be an issue with the port. And then you could take the USB or the lightning cable to make sure that it's perfectly fine and then there is no cut or something that might be preventing it. Okay, and lastly, if none of that works, then you can head over to your system settings, general, from here transfer or reset, and you can erase all content and settings, and hopefully this fixes the issue, but obviously this is a last resort. So yeah, we have gone almost all the fixes and your microphone should be fixed after this. Now if it isn't, then there is either a problem with the port you're using or your microphone just doesn't work. To make sure that your microphone is working, you can try it with some other device and hopefully it works there. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that I helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.